Hey y'all, I'm about to do my Botox treatment. The first thing I'm going to do is wash my hair with a clarifying shampoo. Be right back. Okay y'all, I just finished washing my hair with the clarifying shampoo. The next step will be to blow dry my hair. Be right back. Now the next step is to take very small pieces of hair and apply the product. You really want to work it in like so. I'm going to go through all of my hair and come right back. Okay, y'all, the product has been completely applied. I'm going to sit for, they say 20 to 40 minutes. I think I'll do 30 minutes and then I'll be back for the blow dry. Okay, so I just washed out the treatment with just water, no soap. Now I'm going to do the blow dry and flat iron. All right, so this is after the blow dry. So the next thing is the flat iron. Okay, so going with the flat iron, again, it's very important to flat iron small pieces of hair and go through the hair multiple times. I'll be back when it's done. And there is the final look, y'all. I just feel like it looks so much healthier, shinier, just easier to manage. I love it.